Are you dreaming of visiting Australia but feel overwhelmed by the visa application process? What if I told you that applying for an Australian tourist visa is easier than you think? And in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through every single step so you can start planning your Australian adventure with confidence. Whether you're planning to explore Sydney's iconic harbour, dive into the Great Barrier Reef, or experience the outback, this video will show you exactly how to get your visa approved. So stay with me until the end, because I'm sharing insider tips that could make or break your application. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where we cover everything you need to know about Australian visas and immigration. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update that could be crucial for your travel plans. Dreaming of exploring the land down under? Whether it's the stunning beaches, vibrant cities, or the incredible wildlife, Australia is a destination like no other. But before you pack your bags and book your flights, you'll need to apply for an Australian tourist visa. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the entire process step by step, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, make sure to follow our Australian Visa and Immigration group on Facebook, where we post regular updates on the latest visa news and information. We have a thriving community of people who can offer support and share their personal experiences about their visa and immigration journey. You'll find the link in the description below. First things first, you need to make sure the tourist visa subclass 600 is the right one for your trip. This visa has several streams tailored to different purposes, so let me break them down for you. The tourist stream allows you to apply either in Australia or overseas if you're visiting for tourism or to see family and friends. The sponsored family stream is designed for applicants with an eligible family sponsor who can support their application. The business visitor stream is perfect for short business visits like attending meetings or conferences. The approved destination status stream is for citizens of specific countries visiting on an organized tour. And finally, the frequent traveler stream is specifically for citizens of the People's Republic of China who require regular visits. For tourists, the most common options are the subclass 600 tourist visa for general tourism, family visits, or short business trips. There's also the e-visitor subclass 651 for passport holders from eligible countries like those in the European Union. This one is completely free and allows stays of up to 3 months. Then there's the ETA subclass 601 for passport holders from specific countries like the United States. It's electronically linked to your passport and allows stays of up to 3 months as well. For most travelers, the subclass 600 tourist visa is the way to go. It's flexible and allows stays of up to 3, 6, or even 12 months depending on your needs. Just keep in mind that it doesn't permit work, so if you're planning to work in Australia, you'll need a different type of visa. Now, head over to the Australian government's Department of Home Affairs website and create an ImmiAccount. We actually have a separate video explaining in detail how to create an ImmiAccount and what you can do with it, which you can check out using the link below. This is where you'll manage your entire visa application, upload documents, and track your progress. It's super easy to set up. Just follow the prompts on the screen. Next, let's talk about the documents you'll need to gather. Here's a quick checklist to make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your passport with at least 6 months validity remaining. You'll also need proof of financial stability like bank statements or pay slips to demonstrate you can support yourself during your stay. A detailed travel itinerary or plan is essential to show your intended activities in Australia. Proof of employment or a letter from your employer helps establish your ties to your home country. Health insurance details are optional but highly recommended for your peace of mind. A passport-sized photo that meets the official requirements is necessary. And finally, any additional documents like proof of ties to your home country, such as property ownership or family commitments, to show you intend to return after your trip. Once your documents are ready, log into your ImmiAccount and start your application. Select Tourist Visa Subclass 600 and follow these steps carefully to complete the application. For the purpose of visit section, clearly state your reason for visiting Australia, whether it's tourism, visiting family, or other recreational purposes. Be specific and honest about your intentions. In the personal details section, enter your full name, date of birth, passport details, and contact information. exactly as they appear on your official documents. Any discrepancies could delay your application. For travel plans, share your planned arrival and departure dates, as well as accommodation details. If you haven't booked everything yet, provide estimated dates and explain your general plans. When it comes to financial evidence, indicate how you will support yourself financially during your trip, and upload relevant documents like bank statements showing sufficient funds. The government wants to ensure you won't need to work illegally or become a burden on their social services. You'll also need to answer health and character questions about your health history, any prior visa refusals, or criminal convictions. Be truthful and provide complete details if required. Honesty is absolutely crucial here because providing false information can result in a permanent ban from Australia. Once you've filled out the form, it's time to upload your documents. Make sure everything is clear and legible because poor quality scans can lead to delays or rejections. If a document isn't in English, you'll need to provide a certified translation. Take your time and double-check each answer before submitting to avoid any mistakes that could slow down the process. After uploading your documents, you'll need to pay the visa application fee. Payment can be made online using a credit or debit card. Make sure to keep the receipt because you'll need it for reference throughout the application process. Once you've submitted your application, all you need to do is wait for a decision. Processing times can vary depending on various factors like the time of year and the complexity of your application, but you can check current processing times on the Department of Home Affairs website. You'll receive updates via your ImmiAccount or email, so keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam folder regularly. If your application is approved, you'll receive a visa grant notice via email. This notice includes your visa details like the visa number, conditions you must follow, and validity period. Make sure to print it out or save it on your phone because you'll need to show it when you enter Australia. Immigration officers may ask to see this document at the border. And that's it. You're all set to explore Australia and experience everything this amazing country has to offer. Remember, the key to a successful visa application is being prepared, organized, and providing accurate information throughout the entire process. Keep in mind that this video provides general information, and it may not be completely up to date as requirements, and laws can change over time. For specific details, including current eligibility requirements and any recent policy changes, be sure to check official sources like the Department of Home Affairs website. Additionally, consider consulting a registered migration agent or an immigration lawyer for professional advice tailored to your specific situation. I hope you found this video helpful and that it's cleared up any confusion you had about the Australian tourist visa application process. If you have any questions or need clarification on any step, feel free to drop a comment below. I read every comment, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips on working and living abroad, as well as everything you need to know about Australian visas and immigration. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's planning their Australian adventure. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll cover even more essential visa information. Safe travels.